Hey everyone, this is D Revolution. I am here to bring you writing from a writer's standpoint. The ins and outs of things that we as writers we think about and we don't have anybody to talk to about it, and some of the things that goes on in our mind. So for this video I'm gonna be talking about storytelling, and when you get to that point when you in the story um, and you're not quite confident in what you wrote, one of the best things you can do is walk away from it. Walk away from it for a few days, come back to it, and read what you wrote. And what happens is your energy, uh, when you was tapped in writing what you wrote, when you leave and come back, your energy is different, and it should be able to tell you whether you should change this or whether you're like, wow, this is pretty good. Leave and go back to it and reread what you wrote. But if you are writing, if you're in the process of writing and you're not sure about what particular part you're writing or what you're writing, I'm not talking about the whole book. I'm just saying that sometimes, as writers, we go in places that we didn't think we were gonna go, and we always questioning ourselves as a writer. So when that happens to me, I walk away, and then I come back to it, and basically sometimes when you reread it, you're like, oh, now, maybe I should do this, maybe I should do that, and it enhances your story, it makes your story better. But once you try to force something and you don't come back and reread what you wrote, then what's on that paper is what people are going to read. Remember, you want to be the best storyteller that you can. Don't force yourself. Don't force yourself to write something that you just refuse to make a few changes here and there. Now, I don't believe in first and second draft. I usually write and I make my corrections then while I'm in the process of writing. I don't go back and I don't write a whole journal, book, whatever, manuscript, and then come back and rewrite the whole thing. No. Like, I'm tuned in into my story. So, pretty much, there's always a point in the story where I'm not sure if the story should go in this direction or not. And, I say this in all my videos. Make sure you keep your mind constantly on your story. Keep your mind on it. When you lay down at night, think about your story. Think about those characters. When you wake up, think about those characters. And the more you think about it, the more and more you're going to be confident and you're going to know what needs to be written and where it needs to go. And the last time that you were typing on that manuscript may not be necessarily where you were going with the story. But as you think about it, if the story is telling you to do something else, then go back and do something else. Don't take the story anywhere that's going to make it harder for you. Don't do something in chapter 4 that's going to come back to bite you in chapter 7. You have to be very, very conscious of where you're going with your story. You have to be very, very in tune, and you can't be afraid to walk away and come back to it to get it right. Get it, you want to get it as right as you can to make an effective story. I'm D Revolution. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. I need you guys to support me and support this channel. Send this video to anybody that want to tell stories. I also have a mentoring service. Contact me at blackbooksforus@gmail.com and check out the website. Go to Facebook and join the Facebook group with Black Books for Us. Black Books for United States on Facebook. Peace.